the hardest parts of selling a bathroom remodeling project today is helping homeowners make decisions without overwhelming them. Between all the wall panel patterns out there, the accessories, the shower bases, and then the pricing, it can get pretty overwhelming and homeowners really don't know where to start. When people feel confused and overwhelmed, it tends to slow the sales process down or just stop it altogether. That's why we created this PanelPro presentation through Engage. It gives you a more professional and interactive way to guide homeowners through the process, help them visualize their options, and simplify their decision making without causing confusion. So with that said, let's jump into the presentation and show you how it works. So this is the opening slide of the PanelPro Showers presentation on Engage. One of the nice things about the Engage platform is that you can jump to a specific slide, so you don't have to specifically go in this order. Maybe you don't want to start with the problem to solution tab and want to go straight into the inspiration gallery. You have the flexibility to do that, but you can navigate everything at the bottom here or down by this arrow, or you can click this button here and you can jump to that page. But we're going to go through this slide by slide, talk about why we did what we did in this presentation. Going to first to the problem to solution tab. What would a homeowner change about their current shower or bathroom area? This helps because you're not jumping straight into selling the product. You're starting off with the problems that the homeowner may be facing. For instance, if they're dealing with mold or grout, specifically if they have a tile shower, this is a great slide to start with. How can we get rid of that? Well, say goodbye to moldy grout lines with grout-free wall panels. They resist mold, they're non-porous, and they're easy to clean. Or you could talk about outdated design. Maybe they have cheap old white acrylic and they're sick and tired of it. Well, we can talk about how this product is going to allow a more modern look or a bold stone look. Also, another great one to talk about is remodels that take too long. We know firsthand how much a homeowner wants to get back in their bathroom or shower area. They want it done. They don't like all these people in their home for weeks on end when they're dealing with long lead times or tile work that they have to finish up. So this is a great slide to start off with when talking to the homeowner about problems that they're currently facing. The reason that we're including this slide is because homeowners are researching multiple material options for their shower or bathroom area. So it's good to show them the pros and the cons of each material. So you can go through these. Maybe they're talking about wanting ceramic or porcelain tile. Well, here's some pros and cons with that. Or maybe they have an acrylic panels today and they're thinking about doing that in their next project. Well, we can chat about the pros and the cons of that. Or you can go to the laminate wall panels. This is a product that we offer specifically that you can chat about, the pros and the cons of that. And then the rigid PVC wall panels, which is the PanelPro, talking more about the pros and the cons of that. It's a affordable price point. It's 100% waterproof. It's low maintenance. You could go on. And you can also chat about the cons too. It's important that the homeowner knows about the pros and the cons of each product that they are, researching. All right, next we're going to jump into the actual PanelPro Showers main page. This is kind of a brief overview of what the product is, but we're going to first start off with the benefits tab. Now this is going to be almost similar to the problem to solution tab. This is basically going over the benefits of PanelPro and why a homeowner should care about that. It's grout free, and you can click on each of these and it kind of goes into a little bit more detail of what that all entails. It's made in the USA. It's built with high quality materials. It's available. It's in stock, it's available for us. The other thing that I think is important is covering the 96-inch high panels. When they're dealing with other panels on the market, most of the time they only go up 80 inches. So not having to deal with finishing work above there, and it can go all the way up to the ceiling, that's very important to not only you, but also to the homeowner. Another thing is standard or custom without the weight. So whether you're dealing with a funky shower size or a standard shower size, there is no weight and it's in stock. It's readily available. You're not having to deal with long wait times or expensive material because it has to be a custom size. So now we can go into the view patterns and styles options. So in here, you can see all the patterns and styles that we have available on this line. You can click in here and it will show you a bathroom, a nice bathroom scene of what it would look like in a home, so that your homeowners can kind of click on this and see. This one actually is my personal favorite, the cream of marfil. Very nice, light but warm tone. So really like that pattern. Or maybe they want more of a bolder look. This Nero Marquina one is perfect for that. So you can go through this and they can go through this and see, which patterns and styles they like. The next option, or the next slide, I should say, is the inspiration gallery. Now, this is very important to help homeowners visualize what it could look like in their home. Get them excited for what the possibility could be. And the other nice thing about these slides is that if you're ever wondering what pattern is being shown here, you can click this info button and it'll show you it's the cream of marfil one. Or if the homeowner, is on your iPad swiping through this, they can do that as well. And they can see, oh, well, I like this one. This is the white Carrera. So that's also a nice addition to it. The next slide is going into the accessories. Now, when it comes to accessories, some people, they don't want to deal with having to figure out what will look good with that pattern. So the nice thing about this line is that they have complementary accessories. So they have accessories that are the same pattern as the wall panels. So we have the corner shelf in here, and you can swipe through to see the different options that are available. They have the shower niche. They have the corner shower bench seat, and they have the window trim kit. And these are all available in this pattern and sizes. Now, if they want to be a little bit more creative and they want something more bolder that stands out, you can go into contrasting accessories. So we got some nice contrasting accessories here. You can also click on here. This is a button that'll take you to our webpage. That'll show you more of our shower accessory options. But this is nice to see maybe if they want something a little bit more unique and they want to let their creativity out. So very nice addition to that. The next is the shower bases. So this really shows that this wall panel pattern can go with really any type of base, whether you're dealing with a low profile, stone base, a wet room, a rant, or even a custom base. And it goes into a little bit more detail about each. So, we'll start with the Innova stone. It's a very low profile stone shower base, and you can see all the patterns and sizes, the features, the gallery. Everybody loves a gallery because they like to see what it actually looks like in the home. But if you want to go back to the bases, you just click this one. And then you can kind of go through the different options. The ramped base, maybe you're dealing with someone who's thinking more into the future and wants to live longer in the home. Maybe a rant base is a good alternative to that, down the line, thinking of more an accessible living and the benefits of that. So I'm going to go and navigate down to the doors, screens, and blocks. Now you're talking about the enclosures of the shower, whether they want a shower glass door, looking at the options there, what's available, the finishes, the bypass door, the sliding door, and so on. Or maybe they're looking at screens or curtains as well, so that's an option too. And then another unique option that we offer, as well as the glass shower doors, is a glass block wall. Very unique option, and all the features and benefits of that. So this just really helps drive the conversation into building the bathroom or shower that they're looking to achieve, the bathroom of their dreams. And then this slide is basically an overview of what PanelPro is, who they're dealing with, and why it should matter. You can go through the different benefits of it, the unique product offerings, the in-stock products and quick turnaround time. I know that's very, very important to a lot of people that I talk to, that they want it done tomorrow. You know? So it's crucial to help them understand why this matters and why they should care about, Panel Pro. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope it helps you better understand why we created this presentation in the first place. It not only helps you, but it also helps your homeowners. It helps them guide them through the process to not feel so overwhelmed with all these decisions that they have to make. So if you want to learn more, maybe you're not a PanelPro dealer now, but would like to learn more and to get access to this presentation, we would love to chat with you. Our phone number is 888-467-7488, or you can head on over to our website. It has plenty of information on there for you to learn more, and you can request some free samples so that you can see the product firsthand before you offer it to your customers. But that website is www.panelproshowers.com. Again, thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.